Hey guys, what's up? Pat here from Mountain Sledder. It's Thursday. We got a box from FXR, so happy Thursday to us. We're gonna open it up, check it out. It's their new Blade 2.0 carbon fiber helmet. So thought you guys might want to watch as we open it up, see what's inside. Okie dokie. Oh, we already cracked it open as you can see. Let's get rid of that thing. Okay. So there we go, looks pretty cool. It's in size large, so it's gonna fit. We can test it out, see how it goes while we're wearing it. But we've got some details here. What do we got? Ultra lightweight, 100% carbon fiber. Should be pretty light, ECE certification. It's got a breath box like they mostly do. Yeah, a bunch of other stuff there. So, oh, exceeds dot as well. How do you like that? Alrighty. Alright, comes in a bag. That's always nice. Keep your helmet protected when you're not using it. And we got their little screw for the visor, it looks like. And some instructions. Don't need those. Alrighty. Always seems to be a knot in these helmet bag covers for some reason, but keep it all in there. Ooh, double protection. This is the best part about working in Mountain Sledder is you just get to unwrap this stuff. Okay, that's a good looking helmet. I like it. Carbon finish looks really good. It's got sort of a matte finish. It's smooth but not glossy, which is nice. You won't get a bunch of fingerprints or grease marks all over it from your McDonald's breakfast or whatever you're having. So that's looking good. So there's our breath box inside there. Now usually these things just snap in somehow beneath the cheek pads. This one looks like it goes kind of over top. And I usually take these out right away. I don't like riding with the breath box unless it's really cold, which it usually isn't here in the BC mountains. So I usually pull those out first thing. And it looks like we've got neck brace compatible collar on the back here. And there you go, there's all our certifications. So we've got DOT, we've got ECE, which is the best international standard, you could argue. And there's our weight right there, 1250 grams, plus or minus 50 grams, I guess probably depending on maybe what the color is or something. Okay. Bunch of documentation there. Don't really need that probably. Oh, this is nifty. Look at this guy. Oh, I love this. All right, we've got our little quick release buckle here. That's great. Fire that in. Keep you secure, and then when you're ready to come out, you just pull that and out you are. Lately, gotten a little spoiled with helmets, and I kind of really love these quick release systems. Otherwise, you just have to loosen the strap and pull it out of the way and then slide your head off, or else you're feeding it through that D-ring all day. So this is a really nice feature right there. Well, there's our breath box. So it looks like it's Velcroed in at the top. And probably underneath these cheek pads somehow. Usually these cheek pads just snap out just like that. And there it is. So just need to do that on both sides. I'll get that bad boy right out of there. Now, looks like pretty good quality of that thing. There's a little, you know, they always have this sort of little metal piece in there that you can form fit to your nose, which is nice. And looks like it's pretty well form fit as well for your nose. So that's probably one of the better quality ones I've seen. It can be adjusted here as well. But you know, you're not breathing through that thing, right? But it's going to keep the cold off your face, that's for sure, if you're riding in really cold weather or spending a lot of time on the trail. Pretty cool for other people, not us though. Now a lot of times you can just pull these right out and throw them in the wash, which is nice. In case your helmet gets really stinky for some reason. If you're using a lot in the summer and you're sweating, that sort of thing. 3 snaps in there, as you can see. So, pretty good looking helmet. Visor can be adjusted easily, it looks like, just by spinning that, making your adjustment. I generally like to have the visor up a little bit, and that way I can lift my goggles out, place them up here underneath, have my conversations, breathe easily, freely, and then when I'm ready to go, just plop them right back down. Also, when you're kind of cruising along and your helmet's looking down and your face is looking down, you can still look up with your eyes and get a good line of sight if that visor's not down in the way. So yeah, it feels really light. Looks like there's some good ventilation through here for breathing. Liner feels pretty comfortable. Probably just Velcros right out. It does. All right, pretty cool. Let's try it on. All right, time to try this bad boy on. Fits pretty good. And it's all done up just like that. Pretty easy. Just so happen to have some FXR goggles here as well. See how they go on there. Looks like a good tight seal. All right. All right. Okay, we're ready to rock. We're gonna be testing this helmet out as well as 1, 2, 3 other lightweight carbon helmets that we've got from a couple different manufacturers. So we'll be getting back to you later in the season with how they all go and how they work in the field. Thanks for watching.